the FBI has assumed the role as the lead federal law enforcement agency in the investigation of the incident that occurred earlier today at Trump International Golf Course here in West Palm Beach, Florida. We've deployed a number of resources, including the investigative teams, crisis response team members, bomb technicians, and evidence response team members as well. I would ask that if anyone has any information that may assist with this investigation, to contact our tip line at 1-800-CALL-FBI or at tips, that's tips.fbi.gov.
Patuloy ang investigasyon ng mga otoridad kabilang na ang Federal Bureau of Investigation o FBI sa isa na namang umano'y attempted assassination kay dating US President Trump. Nangyari ito sa Trump International Golf Club sa West Palm Beach, Florida, araw ng Linggo sa Estados Unidos. Ayon sa mga opisyal, nakita ng US Secret Service agents ang isang lalaking armado na nagtatago sa mga halaman. Hawak na ngayon ng mga otoridad ng lalaki at kinilala na si Ryan Wesley Root, ngunit wala pang inilabas na motibo ang mga ito.
In the bushes where this guy was is a AK-47 style rifle with a scope, 2 backpacks which were hung on the fence that had ceramic tile in them, and a GoPro which he was going to take pictures of. We have somebody in custody right now that is a potential suspect. We got a little bit more work to do on it.
Ang pangyayaring ito ay halos 2 buwan lamang matapos makaligtas ang Republican presidential nominee sa naging assassination attempt sa kanya sa Pennsylvania, kung saan 2 ang nasawi habang 7 naman ang sugatan. Ligtas naman ang dating Pangulo ayon na rin sa Trump campaign at bumalik sa kanyang tahanan sa Palm Beach. Kasabay nito, sinabi ni Governor Ron DeSantis na magsasagawa ang estado ng Florida ng kanilang sariling investigasyon sa nangyaring attempted assassination kay Trump, partikular na kung papaano nakalapit ang gunman ng 500 yarda sa GOP nominee. Samantala, pinuri naman ni US President Joe Biden ang aksyon na ginawa ng Secret Service at law enforcement partners sa kanilang pakikipagtulungan upang mapanatiling ligtas si Trump. Kalinsabay nito, muling diniin ni President Biden na walang lugar ang political violence o anumang klase ng violence. Klein Senka, UNTV News and Rescue USA. Diyos sa aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.